Hi friends, my name is Raghunandan, son of Ganesan. I am 10 years old. I'm from Favaluvadi, SJK Rava. My science teacher's name is Mrs. Kannagi Devi. Today I'm going to present about breathing organs of animals. Let's start and you all enjoy friends.
Friends, different animals have different breathing organs such as lungs, gills, moist skin and spiracles. Animals can be classified according to their breathing organs. Here we have four breathing organs. First, lungs. Goats, white lions, alligators and elephants breathe through lungs. Second breathing organ we have gills. Animals that breathe through gills are clownfish, crabs, prawns and eels. Third we have moist skin. Land leech, freshwater leech, earthworm and frog breathe through moist skin. Fourth breathing organ we have spiracles. Ants, caterpillars, butterflies and cockroaches breathe through spiracles. All mammals breathe through lungs. Apart from mammals, reptiles and birds breathe through their lungs too. Normally, animals that live on land breathe using their lungs. First example, cow. When the cow inhales, its lung expands. When the cow exhales, its lung contracts. Let's see the respiratory risk of the cow. First, stress. Second, bacterial pressure. Third, animal nutrient immunity. Fourth, viral pressure. The second example is rat. Let's see some internal organs of rat. Trachea, aorta, pulmonary artery, left lung, postcaval lobe called as the right lung, posterior lobe, right lung and anterior lobe. Rats also use their lungs to breathe. Birds also breathe through lungs. For example, here we have palm cockatoo, sparrow and pigeon. Friends, everyone knows fishes breathe through gills. But why dolphins breathe through their lungs? Because dolphins are mammals. Friends, look here. There is something called alveoli in the dolphin's lungs. Friends, and for reptiles, I take example of snake. Reptiles also breathe using their lungs. Many people think reptiles have moist skin, so they breathe through their moist skin. No friend, it's wrong. Reptiles breathe through their lungs. Second breathing organs of animals, which is gills. There are a number of animals that do not have lungs. They have some other organ for breathing. Normally, animals that live in water use their gills to breathe. First example, fish. Look at fish. They take in oxygen that dissolves in water. It has a special organ called gills that help it to do that. The fish's gills are located at side of it. Second example is prawn. Gills are primary respiratory organs in prawns. There are 8 gills, each attached with the thoracic wall. Third example, shark. The breathing process for sharks begins and ends with their gills, which they use to both extract oxygen from water and rid their bodies of carbon dioxide. As water passes over the gills, small capillaries allow oxygen to enter the bloodstream. Fourth example, octopus. The gills allow an octopus to breathe in oxygen and then exhale through a tube called siphon. The octopus gills are located inside the mental cavity. The gills are made of many feathery filaments. These filaments allow for a larger surface area across which the oxygenated water passes over. This large surface area allows the octopus to pick up more oxygen per breath. Look at the manta rays breathing organ. The manta rays breathing organ is gills. To breathe, manta rays have 5 pairs of gills on their underside. To breathe, they must continually keep water flowing over their gills. They have gills by absorbing oxygen dissolved in the water like other fishes. Spiracles is one of the breathing organs of animals. Animals such as insects breathe through spiracles. A spiracle or stigma is the opening in the exoskeletons of insects. It is derived spiders to allow air to enter the trachea. In the respiratory system of insects, the tracheal tubes primarily deliver oxygen directly into the animal's tissues. These are the examples of insects breathe through spiracles. First, dragonfly. Dragonfly breathe air by spiracles at the abdomen. Second, cockroach. In cockroach, the respiratory system is a network of trachea known as the tracheal system. They respire through small openings called spiracles. Third, honeybee. Honeybees have external respiratory opening called spiracles, of which there are 3 pairs on the thorax and 7 pairs on the abdomen. They branch to every organ in the bee's body. Each spiracle has a valve to control the flow of air. The spiracles contain valves which prevent the backflow of air. Another example is butterfly. Butterflies also breathe through spiracles. These spiracles carry oxygen through tubes in the butterfly's body. Every butterfly has 9 pairs of spiracles. The last breathing organ is moist skin. Animals such as worms breathe through their moist skin. Most of the amphibians have moist skin that helps them to breathe. There are 2 examples of moist skin. First, earthworm. Earthworms breathe through their skin. Oxygen and carbon dioxide pass through the earthworm's skin by diffusion. For diffusion to occur, the earthworm's skin must be kept moist. Second, leech. Leeches receive oxygen and expel carbon dioxide through the skin. It is gas exchange through the epidermis. The hemoglobin is then transported by the blood throughout the leech. Last but not least, there are animals that have more than one breathing organ. For example, frog. In water, frogs exchange gases through its thin, moist and smooth skin, which is richly supplied with blood capillaries. On land, frogs breathe through lungs. Here are some examples of animals breathe through moist skin and lungs. First, salamander. Salamanders have smooth, sleek skin. Second, newt. Newts usually have dry, warty skin. Last, mudskippers. Mudskippers in water they use their moist skin to breathe, but in mud they use lungs to breathe.